How to log in Zenith Bank Mobile App. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open Zenith application on your device. After opening, you will be able to see this interface over here. If you want to register to Zenith mobile banking app, then you can go for register. If you want to open a new account or create a new account, then you can go for a phone account option. If you want to get help, then you can also ask for help. Since we are looking for logging in, you have to go for login option in the white box over here. Soon after tapping on that, you'll be able to see the text boxes over here. So you have to enter your account number and password associated with your Zenith mobile banking account. If you want your account number and password to be remembered, then you can simply tap on the small box over here, and by doing that, from the next time whenever you try to log in, then you will be directly logged in without entering your account number and password. If you want to log in with fingerprint, then you can simply tap on login with fingerprint, but you need to make sure or arrange the settings by which you can log in with fingerprint. And after entering this information, you can go for sign in option. If you forget your password, then you can go for forget password option, through which you will be able to reset your password and you will be able to log into your Zenith mobile bank app. By following this simple step, you can log in Zenith Bank Mobile App. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.